Let's talk about writing better prompts. The better your input, the better your output. If your prompt isn't clear or detailed, your thumbnail probably won't match what you had in mind. So here's a quick example of a bad prompt. A video of Jeff Bezos doing evil stuff. This is too vague. Pixels has no idea what you want it to look like. So here's a good prompt. Jeff Bezos looking evil with glowing red eyes, holding a mysterious box, standing in front of flames with an Amazon logo above his head and big stacks of money around him. This one sets the whole scene, it gives context and helps Pixels focus on the right details. If you are struggling to write, here's a cheat code I've been using. Just click on this little icon, close your eyes and visualize your idea in your mind and describe it in detail. Once you're done, click right here and give it a couple of seconds. That's where the enhanced prompt will save you. There you go, a perfect prompt. And remember, even after generating the thumbnail, you can always make tweaks using the edit tool. Now, depending on your channel and content, our AI will automatically choose the best model for you. But if you want to choose one specifically, just head over to the bottom left where you can switch and test which one of our models is the best for you. Of course, if you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to open a support ticket. We are always happy to help.